Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your monitor being at 60 FPS either in-game or general browsing. So the first step you need to do is you want to go behind your monitor. It's guaranteed to be there. There's going to be a model number. It's like a sticker and it says model number and you could find it there. I'm going to put a picture of what a model number looks like so you guys can go look for it. Or you could go through on the monitor, there's some buttons. Go to the menu section, and about this monitor, it's gonna say the model number 2. So when you got that model number, what you want to do is you want to put it in Google, and after that, just put HZ for hertz. So if it says 60 hertz as the native refresh rate, you could watch my overclocking video. I will link above right there, so you could click on it. Or if it says 165 or 144, whatever it says, but it doesn't feel like 144 to you. So that's what we're going to figure out or fix right now. So what you want to do is you want to go here. You want to go to your settings. When you open that up, go to System. Click on that. Pick the monitor if there's multiple. I'm just going to do 2. I'm going to scroll down to Advanced Display Settings. I'm going to click on that. Then this here should come up. This thing would come up. You can even change the things you want, like what monitor. So as I was saying, this is the model number for my ASUS monitor, and it's a 60 hertz monitor, but I've overclocked it, so I've changed it from right here. But if you know you bought like 165, 144, whatever, and it doesn't come up here, what you can do is you want to go to display adapter properties for display whatever monitor. If this is checked, uncheck it because it's not gonna work if this is checked. Go here and there should be multiple options if it's higher than 60 hertz. So our second scenario we have, it's where our game is stuck at a refresh rate. So what we could do is either there's two options. Most games have like FPS changer, but if it's like, for example, City Skylines, it's probably going to be capped at 60 because you don't need those extra frames. But if you know it's a competitive game like COD, Fortnite, other games, you need the FPS. You just want to go to your control panel, NVIDIA control panel, sorry. You want to open that, and here it comes. What you want to do now is you want to go to adjust, let me make this bigger. Adjust image settings with preview. Manage 3D settings. So right here, what you want to look for is max frame rate. So it's off. If yours is on, like here, it's going to cap your FPS at in-game. So what you want to do is you want to have that off, because we don't want that. And you should be golden. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.